Hello, welcome. This is an ultra short meditation session. I take this time to relax and come to my center now. Focus on your breath. Coming in, going out. As you're focusing on your breath, bring your awareness to your center, into your body. Being aware how you're breathing in, breathing out, coming into your center, feeling your spine. Notice how you're breathing in, breathing out. Bring your awareness into the feet touching the ground. See how you're breathing in and out. Let your awareness come into your calf muscles. Slow down. Slow down. Come into your thighs. Notice your breath. Taking the time to slow down, calm down. Noticing your breath, noticing your abdomen, lower back. Again, slowing down. Noticing what are the stories the mind is telling, separating from them. Coming to your breath, into your chest, upper back. Feeling your face and head. Feel your whole body and spine. Slow down, separate from all the stories the mind is telling. You are the observer. Expand your awareness into the room. Open your eyes. Thanks.